Mastering Learning, 6 Proven Strategies to Improve Your Learning Skills. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are diving into a topic that's near and dear to every student and lifelong learner's heart: how to improve your learning skills. Whether you are studying for exams, trying to pick up a new hobby, or simply aiming to enhance your knowledge, these tips and tricks will help you maximize your learning potential. So, grab a pen and paper, or your favorite note-taking app, and let's get started. 1. Set clear goals. First things first, it's crucial to set clear goals. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve? Setting specific, achievable, and measurable goals will give you a clear direction and motivation to keep going. Whether it's mastering a new language, acing a test, or simply understanding a complex topic, having a goal in mind will guide your learning journey. 2. Active learning. Next up, let's talk about active learning. Gone are the days of passive listening or reading. Engage with the material actively by asking questions, taking notes, and participating in discussions. Studies have shown that active learning not only improves understanding but also enhances retention. So, get involved and make learning a dynamic process. 3. Use multiple resources. Don't limit yourself to just one resource. Explore multiple sources such as textbooks, online courses, podcasts, and videos. Each resource offers a unique perspective and can help reinforce your understanding of the topic. Plus, variety keeps learning interesting and prevents monotony. 4. Practice, practice, practice. As the saying goes, practice makes perfect. Whether you are learning a new skill or mastering a concept, regular practice is key. Set aside dedicated time each day to reinforce what you've learned through repetition and application. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. 5. Seek feedback. Don't be afraid to seek feedback from others. Whether it's a teacher, mentor, or peer, constructive feedback can provide valuable insights into your progress and areas for improvement. Embrace feedback as an opportunity to grow and refine your skills. 6. Take breaks. Remember to give your brain a break. Studying for hours on end without rest can lead to burnout and decreased productivity. Schedule regular breaks to recharge and rejuvenate. Go for a walk, meditate, or simply take a few deep breaths. Your mind will thank you for it. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. By setting clear goals, engaging in active learning, utilizing multiple resources, practicing regularly, seeking feedback, and taking breaks, you can supercharge your learning skills and achieve your academic and personal goals. So, what are you waiting for? Start implementing these strategies today and unlock your full learning potential. Until next time, happy learning. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on personal and professional development. And as always, keep learning, keep growing, and keep striving for excellence.